Hello everyone, this is Saad Shah of PropertyManagementAnalytics.com. This video will cover the building blocks of analytics. I will present this diagram and we will start with how the use of many systems for running your property management company lead to data silos and introduce the idea of a reporting database. This video will help you understand the architecture that delivers the right information at the right time in the right format to your staff. A quick introduction. Property Management Analytics is my blog and is the source for free information and advice for property management companies that want to use data science to get ahead. PropertyManagementAnalytics.com, where property management plus data science equals profits and smiles. Let's get started on the building blocks of analytics. Wouldn't it be great if one fantastic property management system could do everything? Not only would the system be the best in class for each function, it would also provide you exactly the right reports and dashboards you need to run your company. Well, no such system exists because we each have different strategies and different ways we run our companies. There are many excellent property management systems out there. You might be using one of these. Even though they are rich with features and functions and provide hundreds of reports, there is still a need for other systems. It is highly likely that in addition to your main property management system, you have 4 or 5 other essential systems. And these systems have their own databases. For example, your property names in one system are probably entered differently than in another system. What you end up having are data silos. When it comes to reports, many companies have to export data into Excel from each system and create a complete picture. Wouldn't it be great if the data in these systems was interlinked and you could get exactly the right information at the right time? Well, you can if you implement the analytics architecture I will describe here. Many companies are already doing so. Let's start with first things first. The reason you work hard and invest in the systems is to produce the results and outcomes you're seeking. But in order to do so and create amazing results, you need very well managed business processes and a team that has the right tools to do their job. In order to have well-tuned business processes, you need the right information at the right time in the right format. Are you with me so far? In order to get the right information at the right time, the data from all your different systems has to be organized in a way that it can be reported on. Your data should not be hard to get at or be spread out in different Excel files. That means you have to integrate your systems in such a way that the data flows easily. Finally, you need to make sure that you've got the right systems that allow you to pull the data out and create the reports and dashboards you want. Now I'm going to explain this sequence at a deeper level. Let's say your goals are profits and a great work environment. In order to do that, you need to execute very well in areas such as expense control, rent collection, customer service, leads management, and other priorities. These are all information-driven processes. So the right information at the right time means having reports, dashboards, visualization tools, and even statistical models, whatever makes sense for your business. Some tools can be acquired for less than $50 per month, while others can cost thousands of dollars to implement. Seeing data in these tools can be a lot of work if the data is not organized and integrated. So, we organize the data in such a way that it can be reported on. The key information objects in your systems, such as your chart of accounts, your properties, tenants, vendors, need to be pulled from the systems and cleaned and organized. This arrangement is very common in large and mid-sized companies that are advanced users of analytics. This data arrangement is sometimes called a data warehouse or a data mart. I'm just going to call it a reporting database. There are many ways to get the data into the reporting database. Some are manual methods, others are very automated. How fresh you want your reports determines how much you would invest in automating the data loading process. API is a term you will hear me use frequently. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and many of the leading property management systems have an API for automatically extracting data. There are also other ways to get to the data and pull it out. Lastly, we go to the systems that you use to run your business. Now seriously, some systems are reporting friendly and others are so closed that you are stuck with the reports they provide you. If the systems you use enable access via an API, then you will be able to implement the architecture shown here as your reporting and data analysis appetite gets bigger. This has been a lot of information. My goal was to provide you a framework for understanding how the data flows through various stages so that your staff has the right information at the right time in the right format to do their jobs and make your business successful. Thank you for your time. Please share your comments and questions. It would be great to hear from you. This is Saad Shah from PropertyManagementAnalytics.com. I hope you have a great day.